Hello, it's Tim, the poor artist. All right, I'm going to show you how I use this it's DecoArt triple thick, okay? At first I was having troubles with it. It's like too thick and it'd stick to itself. You only had to get one brush stroke and that was it. And then you're done. So I actually found something online. Somebody was showing how to use this stuff and dilute it. So dilute it with a little bit of water. I mean, a little bit. Okay, I'm just going to put a little bit in there and just stir it around, just like you do your media mixtures. Okay. Oh yeah, I have a new lighting system too. So let me know how the lighting is in this video. I'll show you my new setup shortly. But just really brush that in, or stir this up good. I mean, you want it really runny. And you know, you might have to do an extra coat, but it's worth it because it spreads so much better. I mean, it spreads like melted butter now, and it doesn't harm it. It doesn't work on the finish. I just, like some of these, I have to do at least 2 coats because the brush marks, but then they'll dry out really good and flat because it's a self-leveling. So just make sure your painting or your project is level when you dry it, and you should be fine. All right, let's see if that'll work. And store your brush like this. You don't have to wash it out. Just put it in a sealed bag with no air in it, and it will stay. It'll be good. Wear gloves for sure with this stuff. It's very sticky. It's hard to get off of your hands. So I just bought some rubber gloves, and that's what I use. Uh-oh, my lunch is ready. All right, let me do this really quick. It won't take much. Okay, I gotta move my water bottle. And basically the way I do these is just put a lot on and just shroom. See, it'll move around so much easier. Yes. Shh. Got dogs. They're too noisy. And they always want to bark when you're filming. That's it. Just give it a couple of nice coverage. I just let the brush glide. Go around the sides like this. So you take care of that. Okay, that one there's done. Let me put it on the drying rack. Yes, I have a new drying rack. I needed it badly. Here's another one. Oops, I just put that on the big ones. And that's okay. Move it right on over. All right, here's a bigger one. Same thing. You see all that? Yep. And this seems to be working really good. I'm glad it does, because I was just struggling over what to seal these things with. What am I going to do? You know, because with your coasters, they don't have to be like super heat resistant, but they have to have some sort of a heat resistance, because hot coffee will stick to it. Well, any coaster does, I guess, because, you know, you get the moisture from your cup that you're using. Now, this isn't a coaster. No, this is not a coaster. Just clean off your brush the best way you can, and then stick it back in a bag, and you'll be fine till the next time you need to use it. Just get it in there really good. Get all the air out of it, and you're set to go. Okay, I will catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching. God bless.